Winter had come to the island of Sodor, and a thick blanket of white covered the countryside. All of the engines were filled with holiday spirit as they puffed along the line. Well, almost all of them. Hello? Would somebody please get me out of here? Oh, Diesel, sorry. We forgot all about you. Edward the Blue Engine was especially jolly. He was on his way to Knapford to pull a passenger train along the main line. When he arrived, he found Arthur arranging his train.
Well, hello there. I remember you from last year's Christmas party. How's your spotless record doing? Still spotless?
Indeed it is, and I intend to keep it that way. It is quite the achievement when you consider the sheer amount of accidents that occur on this railway on a regular basis.
Quite true. But you never know. I might accidentally bump you from behind one day.
Before long, Edward was coupled up and ready to go. Be careful out there. The cold weather makes the rails slippery. It's quite the hazard.
Son, I've forgotten more winters than you've ever seen. I know how to deal with icy rails.
Just saying, I do have a spotless record after all.
Pah.
Edward and the coaches had a lovely time puffing along the main line. He was right on time, and the countryside looked beautiful covered in white. Eventually, he reached the end of the line. Vickerstown was a total mess. There were trucks everywhere. Edward even had difficulty getting his coaches to the platform. The fat controller was waiting for him.
It would seem that I may not be very good at scheduling trains. You can say that again. I cleaned up this station the other day. How did it get like this already? Well, a few things got delayed and I ordered one or two things and, well, you know how it goes. Right. Yes, well, anyway, would you mind shunting these trucks away? Well, I do enjoy shunting trucks, so I guess so. Excellent. Just leave the chocolate syrup tanker here. I'm, not finished with that yet.
Edward quickly got to work, shunting the trucks into a long train. Edward liked shunting, but the trucks didn't appreciate being biffed and bashed about. Nevertheless, it didn't take Edward long to have the trucks organized and ready to be taken away.
So, who's up for a little fun?
I am. Yes, me. I'm in.
Excellent. Right, we're coming up to Gordon's Hill. When we reach the top, push as hard as you... Ow!
Goddamn signals? Why have we stopped?
As I was saying, when we get to the top of Gordon's Hill, push as hard as you can.
Wow, much originality.
Just do it.
It wasn't long before they reached Gordon's Hill. Edward tried to stop to pin down his brakes, but it was no good. The truck surged forward and pushed him down the hill. Edward braked as hard as he could, but his wheels just slid on the icy rails.
Help!
Slow down, you young whippersnapper!
Stop pushing me, you darn trucks! I do the pushing around here.
No, not again. Phew.
Oh no!
No, not my spotless record.
Ow, why do we do this to ourselves all the time?
Hello everyone, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. To watch more videos now, click the green truck. To watch more videos in the future, click the red truck to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.